Hi everyone, my name is Allie. I used to be an instructor for SuperNOVA for 2 summers, and I used to run this Instagram account as well. Now I live in Winnipeg, and I'm doing my master's in medical microbiology and infectious diseases at the University of Manitoba. Today I'm going to show you a really quick experiment that you can do at home using items that you more than likely have in your kitchen. And this is going to show us what happens when you use soap to wash your hands and why this is so important. So our next step is to take some dish soap or hand soap and to put a little bit either on your finger, or you can also use a cotton swab or a toothpick as well. Another tip to make this a little bit more artsy is to use food coloring instead of pepper. What happened here is that the soap caused changes in the surface tension of the milk, which forced the pepper to spread to the outsides and away. This is what makes soap such a good cleaner and why it's so important to use it when trying to get rid of germs. That's all from me today. Thank you so much to everyone for tuning in. I hope everyone is practicing social distancing and of course washing your hands, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye!